competitive. Kanina yung unang game natin, Arellano University shockingly defeating the #1 ranked team 3-1. Talking about Emilio Aguinaldo College, Mary Jane Dianticar with a 44 set excellence was the best player of that game.
And to think that the first set was won handily by EAC and suddenly a tailspin na talaga namang pinangatawanan ng Lady Chiefs and using riding that momentum and into that 4-set win laban sa favored team ng Lady Generals.
Ooh, Labiano with a power hit. Can the Perps control it? Sartin sends it back. Corpus down the middle.
Alam mo, kailangan nila ng ibang humahataw maliban kay Labiano, maliban kay Sultones, and Corpus could be the third attacker para dito sa Lady Stags. Dahil kundi mamarkahan lang nila Tubino de los Santos itong si Sultones at itong si Labiano ng paulit-ulit.
11 serving 16. Guillermo with the backside, running attack down the middle. Beautiful hit for Tubino.
That's too much power for the 20-year-old BS Hotel and Restaurant Management major, #1 in spikes in terms of success rate. Total of 89 successful spikes. Second in blocks. Grabe, no? 17 kill blocks. Wow, for Hanny Roy's Tubino.
She scored 28 points dun sa huling laban nila ng elimination round. Berbano sinalubong sa taas. Ball still in play. Sultones. Tubino keeping it alive. But point will go to the Lady Stags.
One thing that Tubino has done is to make sure that she stays lean and sharp. That's why the quickness factor has worked for her.
Perpetual help with a 5-point lead in set #1. Corpus with the service. Guillermo sets it up for Diaz.
From the back row, that will not get it done para sa Lady Stags.
Or Sartin rather. My mistake, April Sartin.
The team captain.
Yeah.
Ang Perps, mas maraming puntos sa kanilang atake pero marami rin silang unforced errors dahil napaka-agresibo nila na maghanap ng mga attack points. That will be too long for Corpus. Pag ikaw ay naghahabol, hindi ka pwedeng magbigay ng maraming errors sa serve mo, sa iyong atake, at kailangan mas matibay ang iyong floor defense, maging ang inyong net defense.
The Lady Altas on deck to serve. Malyari with a power hit. Tubino was unable to adjust there, coach.
I like that big quick play for Malyari. Sabi nga natin, points of attack, kailangan mapalasa nila. This is a good setup.
Parang ano lang yung kanina eh. Si Mary Jane Ticar kanina at si Kawikaan. Yung mga quick set to the power hit.
Tubiera, galing.
Yes. Benji Tubiera. Ito, Labiano with a serve. Received well by Condada. Kiki Lisandro de los Santos hit na yun. Sultones.
Over 2 blockers. Sultones will score. Laban kay Guillermo at de los Santos as she attempts to bring San Sebastian closer. Good set, and once again the wind-up.
Kita mo kung saan nanggaling.
Alam mo, naalala ko sa kanya si Alisa Valdez ng Ateneo.
Yes, that's true.
Pero to, rookie to eh.
Oo. Sultones. Sinubukan mag-adjust pero na-anticipate ng blockers ng Perpetual. Guillermo, set up job. And the blockers of San Sebastian, Berbano and Malyari conspiring to protect that net. 18-16 ang ating score. And so far kanina, ang laki ng lamang ng Lady Altas, Coach Ronnie. Pero itong Lady Stags, unti-unting humabol. As you look at the huddle nitong San Sebastian. Pag-usapan natin itong libero. Ano ba itong libero na position din sa volleyball, coach?
Ito yung defensive spot na pwedeng pumasok pag dead ball at any time. Pwede siyang pumasok upang dumepensa. She is identified as the defensive player who will make sure that floor defense is always protected at ibang kulay ng uniform na yan. Para sa San Sebastian, yung naka-yellow na si May Crisostomo. As we take a look at several lookers here who played earlier for the Lady Chiefs.
From Arellano University. Masaya sila. Ito yung smiles sa faces sila. Taking down the #1 seed.
Could be 2 wins away from a seat in the finals.
Yeah.
They have never been to the finals. Bagong eskwela nito na lumahok sa NCAA. But the way they played against EAC Lady Generals, so impressed me. Napanood ko yan from the first set all the way to the fourth. Talaga namang grabe yung kinayod nila.
Diaz. Received well by Berbano. Here's Soltones. Blocked up top by Sandra De Los Santos.
Making sure that the shadow was applied laban kay Soltones. Ngayon, hindi niya naungusan si Sandra De Los Santos. 4 ang kalamangan ng Perps.
20-16 ang ating score. University of Perpetual help against the Lady Stags again. Nakukuha nila yung laro nila dito, extending this lead back up to 4. The fans nitong Lady Stags, the boys.
Oo.
Oh, may sign pa talaga.
Dinayo pa nila to.
Oo.
Galing pa sa recto yan. Sabagay, isang sakay lang yan. Isang G-liner lang yan. Dito na
malapit
baba
lang
mo.
yan.
Sa harap ng San Juan Arena na.
Ang tanong lang dyan, coach, sino kaya yung paborito
Ayan.
na yan doon sa lineup ng Lady Stags?
Baka pag binaliktad nila yung banner nandun.
Ayun, hintayin natin yan.
Baliktaran niya. Sayang eh.
Malyari. With the adjustment. Yung height ni Malyari at yung vertically parang tinatanaw na lang yung area, no?
Meron silang mahusay na tagabantay dyan dati sa gitna. Si Rubinos, pero gumraduate na. Sila ni Joy Benito, yung talagang mga key players na nawala. Si Daphne Rubinos na matangkad, mga 5'11 yun. Pero ngayon, ito nung si Malyari, yung pinakamatangkad na manlalaro para dito sa Lady Stags. Kaya dinadaan nila sa sipag sa kanilang depensa upang dumikit dito sa Lady Altas.
Oh, good attack by Perpetual help.
April Sartin, the skipper, scoring for the Lady Altas in the nick of time. Condado digging well, receiving well rather, and then nobody in that spot to be able to dig para dito sa Lady Stags.
21 serving 18. Nori Jane Diaz on deck. Berbano receives it. Soltones.
They wanted a check ball and Soltones attempted to deflect that ball sa dalawang blockers, but that ball was too long. 4 kalamangan, 3 points away from nailing the first set ang Lady Altas.
Nakikita ko rin, coach, kanina pa kung nasa si Soltones, double blocker pa.
Tama, hindi pwedeng isa. Oh, that's a rare mental lapse para dito kay May Crisostomo. Miscommunication, nobody reacting, probably caught dun sa huling puntos na naitala ng Lady Altas. Pabigat itong pulusok ng Altas sa dulo ng first set. Bagong manlalaro for the Lady Stags, yan ay si Uy.
Bea Uy, second year player para dito sa Lady Stags. Malyari.
And again, si Soltones markado, pero itong si Malyari nakakahanap ng butas kasi nga nakakarga na yung dalawang blockers agad dito kay Soltones. Yan ang decision making naman ng mga setters kung kanina mong ipapasa at ibibigay yung second ball.
Kumbaga parang ikaw yung point guard sa volleyball di ba? Oh, wow. Look at that attack.
Floating and scoring for the Perps. 1 point away, 5 points ahead and 1 point away from closing out this first set.
Look at that attack by April Sartin, the skipper for this team, and they can take the first set if they score the sequence. Good reception. Diaz keeps it alive. Guillermo back out to Sartin. Soltones tried to float it over, but good job by Honey Royce Tubino protecting that net. A kill block gets them the first set, 25-19. Magbabalik po kami for more volleyball action.
Ang ating mga football stars sa